Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. In the time of uncertainty, grounding yourself is crucial. Join me for a Qigong practice to help you find balance and calm in the face of the unknown. Now, let's get started. Begin standing, feet hip width. Bring up the happy bouncing. The lovely happy energy moves up and down in the body. And begin to sway side to side. Land your hands on the bottom of the torso, stimulating the energy in the two main energy highways in the body. The governing channel along the spine, the conception channel on the front. Move the hand slightly up to the lower dantian. It's still beneath the navel. Keep moving up to the navel. The point across from the navel on the spine. It is the door of life. Knocking on the door of life. Keep moving the hands up to the sternum, the middle dantian. And then give yourself a gentle pat over the shoulder. Tell yourself, you're doing well. You will be all right. Move the hands downward. Release the hands to your sides. Come to the Taoist Uji Pasture for a moment of stillness. Feet firmly grounding through the earth. Feel the rising energy from the earth come in through the soles of your feet. The descending energy from the heavens come in from the crown of your head, from the Bai Hui point. Marry these forces within, feeling the oneness with the universe. And blink your eyes open. Have the middle finger touch the center of the palm. That is the Lao Gong point, the palace of Toyo. And make a tight fist. The palace of Toyo is a master point on the pericardial meridian, the guardian to the heart. So we're protecting our heart by holding the fist tight, centering the point. Now open the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Draw the elbows to touch, knees to touch. Rise up, open the chest. And then round into it. We'll do a total of 9 repetitions. Six more to go. Inhale, expand. Exhale, draw everything towards the center. Inhale, open the spinal joints along the front. Exhale, open the spinal joints along the back. Feeling the energy traveling along the two energy highways of the body. Last 2. Last 1. Pulling the hands down. 2 more. Extend the arms out to the side. Bring the palms together. Deep breath in and cleansing breath out. Lower the hands to the crown of your head. Inhale, hands to heart. Exhale, turn the fingertips down. Extend the arms out. Repeat. Inhale. Exhale. Breath in, hands to heart. Breath out, fingers down. Open the arms and continue. Each time you reach up, stand tall. And each time you lower your arms, bend your knees slightly. This is the powerful, mindful movement of the 10,000 hands. Synchronize your breath with each movement. As you slowly raise your arms towards the sky, visualize 10,000 helping hands gathering bright sunlight and universal healing energy. Let a sense of calm wash through you, melting away stress and anxiety. Feel that tinglings in your hands. That is our shared collective unconsciousness. Last one. Release hands to the side. The next movement is purging. Inhale, lift the heels. And then exhale, shake your arms behind. Get rid of stress. Get rid of anxiety. Last one. Come back to center. Left hand underneath your lower dantian. Extend the right arm out, centering the energy. The movement is slow and smooth, with each action flowing into the next. This helps center your energy, bringing your mind and body together with each breath. One more on each side. Bring your hands to your lower dantian and stack the palms. For women, the left hand is the dominant hand, so place it on top of the right. For men, the right hand is the dominant hand, so place it on top of the left. Slowly massage your abdominal in a circular clockwise motion. This is 摩腹, an ancient nourishing practice. Anytime you have that uneasy feeling in your stomach, do this to comfort and nourish yourself. Here, we conclude our practice, but you certainly can continue your abdominal massage for a few more minutes. Friends, thank you for practicing with me. I hope this session helps you find your inner strength, resilience, and serenity. Keep coming back to connect with yourself and nurture your well-being.